Welcome to this tutorial where I will guide you through the process of filling in your past trade data using your new trade tracker. This process is designed to help you analyze your past trades efficiently, gain insights, and improve your decision making. If you're watching this video as a non-member, I invite you to complete my free trade tracker training at expinvest.in/trade tracker and explore my swing trade training program to learn how to trade efficiently using technical analysis. So step 1, export your trade data from Zerodha, log into the Zerodha trading console, navigate to reports, then select trade book. Select the last 365 days as your date range. For example, if today is March 16, 2025, select March 17, 2024 to March 16, 2025. Click to load the data. This may take a few minutes. Once the data loads, download the .xlsx format. Step 2. Copying the data into your trade tracker. Open the downloaded Excel file, click anywhere within the data, then select all and copy. Open the trade tracker, navigate to the past trades sheet. In cell 1, paste all the copied data. Since you are pasting an entire year's trading data, this might take a few minutes. Some columns are hidden, but I have already created pivot tables to process the data for easy use. Step 3. Ensure unique codes for all stocks are visible. Look for column AN titled Own Input. Copy this column's data, navigate to your own sheet and paste it there. This will ensure that all stocks have an associated unique code. Validate your input by checking the LTP, that is the last traded price column. Step 4. Input purchase trades into your tracker. Go back to past trades and apply filter. Select only the buy trades. Copy the unique code and the trading account details. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you allocate the current account name. If you are adding data across multiple accounts, remember to update the pivot table range accordingly. Paste the copied data into your tracker as values. Use Shift plus Control plus V or right click, paste special values only. Next, copy the date, quantity, and price for purchased orders. Paste them into your tracker as values. Step 5. Input sales data into your tracker. Change a filter on the past trades sheet from buy to sell. For each stock that has a sell entry, identify the matching purchase transaction, copy the price and date for the sell order, paste them one by one into your tracker to match with the respective purchases. For example, 3M India. If you purchase 2 quantities and sold them later, input the sales details into the respective purchase. Abbott India. If you had multiple trades on different dates, input each sale manually in alignment with the corresponding buy. Step 6. Review and mark trades on TradingView. Once all trade data is inputted into your tracker, review your entries for accuracy. Open TradingView, mark your purchase and sales transactions on the price chart as we discussed in our class. Lastly, this past trade tracker sheet is designed to simplify your trade analysis and encourage disciplined trade tracking. If you are a member, complete this activity this week to refine your past trade insights. If you are not yet a member and want to elevate your swing trading skills, sign up for my free trade tracker training at exp-invest.in/trade tracker. To learn swing trading with technical analysis, enroll in my swing trade training program and master the strategies I use daily. All the best with your trade tracking. Keep improving, stay consistent, and happy trading.